Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous videos we have completed our second chapter of geography, inside our earth. Now today we will do the exercise of that lesson. Now first question is, students, answer the following questions. Question number 1, what are the 3 layers of the earth? Earth की 3 layers क्या हैं? And the answer is, the 3 layers of the earth are the crust, the mantle and the core. Question number 2, what is a rock? Rock क्या है? Answer, any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust is called a rock. Question 3, name 3 types of rocks. 3 प्रकार की rocks के नाम लिखिए, बताइए. Answer, the 3 types of rocks are igneous rock, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Question number 4, how are extrusive and intrusive rocks formed? Answer, extrusive rocks are formed by the molten lava which comes on the earth's surface and rapidly cools down to become solid. When the molten magma cools down, keep inside the earth's crust, then the solid rocks so formed are called intrusive rocks. एक्सट्रूसिव रॉक्स बनती हैं स्टूडेंट्स जब मॉल्टन जो लावा होता है वो अर्थ सरफेस के बाहर आकर कूल डाउन होता है और सॉलिड बनता है, उसे कहते हैं एक्सट्रूसिव रॉक्स. और जब मॉल्टन मैग्मा अर्थ के इनसाइड में ही कूल होता है और सॉलिड रॉक फॉर्म करता है, उसे कहते हैं इंट्रूसिव रॉक्स. 5th क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय अ रॉक साइकिल? एक रॉक साइकिल से आप क्या समझते हैं? आंसर, when one type of rock changes to another type under certain conditions in a cyclic manner, then this process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as the rock cycle. कि जब एक तरह का जो रॉक होता है वो अनदर टाइप में चेंज हो जाता है कुछ कंडीशंस में एक साइक्लिक मैनर के थ्रू, इस पूरी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की प्रोसेस को जो एक के बाद एक होती है उसे हम रॉक साइकिल कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ रॉक्स? आंसर, फर्स्ट, हार्ड रॉक्स आर यूज्ड इन कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स एंड रोड्स. Some rocks are shiny and precious, therefore used for making jewelry. Rocks are made up of different minerals and are very important to humankind. Some are used as fuels, for example coal, natural gas and petroleum. And next, soft rocks are used for making talcum powder, chalks, etc. Now, what are metamorphic rocks? Answer, the rocks which are formed due to conversion of igneous and sedimentary rocks under great heat and pressure is called metamorphic rock. जो रॉक इग्निशियस और सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स को हीट और प्रेशर के दौरान जो बनती है उसमें डालने पर उसे कहते हैं मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. First is, the rock which is made up of molten magma is igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Answer is igneous. Second, the innermost layer of the earth is crust, core, mantle, core. Gold, petroleum and coal are examples of rocks. Minerals or fossils? Minerals. Rocks which contain fossils are sedimentary, metamorphic, igneous, sedimentary rocks. The thinnest layer of the earth is crust, mantle, core, crust. Now next is, match the following. Answer, core is innermost layer. Minerals are defined chemical composition. Rocks used for roads and buildings. Clay changes into slate. Shale made of silicon and aluminium. Now next is, give reasons. We cannot go to the center of the earth. Why? We cannot go to the center of earth because it has very high temperature and pressure and lies 6,000 km below the ocean floor. We will not able to survive there because there is no oxygen or favorable conditions. Second, sedimentary rocks are formed from sediments. Sedimentary rocks are formed from sediments because of extreme compression and hardening of the particles of sediments, which are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. Third, limestone is changed into marble. Limestone is changed into marble because of extreme heat and pressure as it is a sedimentary rock. So students, here you have write all the answers of our lesson number 2 inside our earth and complete this and learn it.